Alright, the day is finally here. The plants are going in the ground. I've been anticipating this for a few weeks now. It's a nice cool overcast day. It's a perfect day for transplanting. So here are the plants. I expect them to look sad for the next couple of days once I transplant them. A new home, adjusting to a new climate. It's pretty much pretty common, so they'll look sad for a few days and then they'll perk up because of the sun. So here's the materials that I'll be using to plant. Look at the flies all over the place here. There's so many houseflies out here, it's crazy. So I have Mix HP for my soil. I have worm castings, of course. And this year I decided to try pumice instead of perlite. I've seen people get good results with it. I've seen Jeremy from Build a Soil use it quite a bit, so I decided to give it a shot and we'll see if it makes any kind of a difference. Of course, my Gaia Green dry amendments. And then in here we have straw. I didn't realize I had straw left over, so I'm going to use that again for my mulch this year. I was going to use rice hulls. I thought I was out of the straw. But I was going through my old stuff from last year and I found the box and it's like, oh, nice surprise. We still have straw. I am a little nervous this year. I've never transplanted from such a big container. I know it's only 7 gallons, but they are quite heavy and I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet. I just don't want the root ball to fall apart on me. So we'll get to planting in a minute. But first, before we get into the video, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the sponsor of the channel, Mars Hydro. From advanced LED grow lights to hydroponic systems, Mars Hydro has you covered. Don't forget at checkout, you can use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING and save yourself a little bit of money off your order. Alright, let's get the transplant. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them up. It'd be easier to do it now before I put them under the screens. Then I'll mix my soil. I'll mix it in here. So again, I'm using Gaia Green. So it's the recipe is 30 tablespoons per gallon. And I'm estimating that I'm going into a 10-gallon hole. So that's 30 tablespoons per plant. Once I'm done mixing my soil, I'll take the plants out of their pots and we'll get the transplanting. Alright, let's do this.
That's the fun.
Alright, so we got that one planted in. Had a little bit of difficulty getting it out of the pot. It was a little scary. It's leaning. It was really, I guess the trip here kind of did a number on it, and it kind of, now it's leaning to the side. So as you can see, I put this post here with a bungee cord, because that's all I got. I don't have any ties or anything like that right now, or any other stakes to tie it down. So I'm going to do it that way for now, and hopefully as it grows into the trellis, it'll start to stabilize it and the roots will get established and it'll be a little bit stronger. I am a little bit concerned for it for the week while I'm gone. Well, there's not much I can do. I'll maybe put another one on this side just in case if there's a big gust of wind coming from this way that it'll blow it over because the bungee cord's pulling it that way. So maybe I'll put another one on this side and so that they're kind of counteracting each other, right? All right, so let's get to putting the rest of them in. All right, so we got them in. They're looking quite sad right now. All of them are leaning, so I had to put a bungee cord on all of them. Here, I'll show you. Put one on there, and then put one there, put one there, and we put one here. So the last one wasn't as bad as the rest. I finally kind of got the hang of pulling the plant out of the pot, but I was a little bit nervous with pulling them out. I was worried. So by next week, unless I come back and they've totally fallen over, they'll be all perked up. Hopefully they'll shut up a bit. And now I'm just patiently waiting for them to get into the net. That way we can start spreading them out and getting them a little bit more secure. Like I said, my main concern this week is the wind blowing them over, just because they are leaning. But besides that, it went not too bad. Not too many problems happened. Just the first one, I thought for sure the root ball was falling apart on me. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have yourselves a great day. Until next time, Peace.